Yes, thank you so much. Welcome back to the channel, Emoji Promotion YouTube channel, wherever you are. Nice to meet you guys once again. Thanks for locking in. If you don't subscribe to our YouTube channel, please click the subscriptions button. Yeah, so you'll be updated. So I want to talk a few things because people they were asking why Ricky Butt's performing in Numa Awards. Why Pingo kon and go away mo training full machala mini we machala pio kena we machala don't give up on me yet. So tin eno tiarati ngomo wera NP he performing in Numa because he was having some gig and you can't disappoint that guy because in a channel. So eno choyo apology letter ma make it like hello fans. So most of you guys have been asking me why I did not perform at Numa Awards, and most of you guys have been asking me why I did not perform at Numa Awards, and you expressed your concerns about the possibility that I was excluded. I appreciate how you all love me, and I would like to clarify that I was actually asked to perform, but unfortunately I was already booked for first somewhere and I couldn't disappoint. Thanks for watching my performance always. You are my heroes. So this is so nice, Chikkar mukene kari why BET Awards, ni jo mukene PGBN Awards, but no, maybe because of they have something mogono gitike gigs kamukene. So kari very take gigs, at least chamukene fans ma make very disappointed. Yeah, we want this guy to perform but sometimes not on pelare. But I love the way this guy always answer his fans. Fans but yo gi marcho matek full, but twingi chwe chamukene all in all to no new kirmi door ki we fans ma mege. So at the end of the day no dano be nyan kere pe new lubu kete ini ilogo kere ki luak ma megi magi mari ki luak magi lubi. So this is 2025. I know Ricky and his manager they're doing something. Makaina and begi moti manyant will as MG we are going to let you know. Kango manyant. So thank you so much. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. So click the notification bell so you be updated for our any video. Thank you so much.